Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami shuriken. So for that you will need 2 square sheets of paper. If you didn't have any square sheets of paper, here is a link for a video that tells you how to cut a square sheet of paper out of regular print paper. So I've got some colored paper here. You can also just use some white paper. So let's start. I'll start with the yellow one. So first you're going to want to take the white side up. If the 2 sides are colored, it's fine, you don't have to take that in account. So we're going to fold this edge down to this edge. And you're going to want to be very accurate for this model. It's quite important, and mark the first folds very well. Now unfold, and we are going to fold this right edge to the left edge. So very accurate, and I need to mark it well. Now unfold, and you are going to fold this top edge down to the middle crease. Now flatten. Now let's do the same thing on the bottom side, so bottom edge to the middle crease. So you're just going to join the paper together. Now we're going to fold the entire thing in half and flatten. So once we've done that, we are going to fold this corner down to this line. So look how I do it. I need to align both lines here. And so this one is really important. That's going to define the rest of the model, so you really need to be accurate precisely on this fold. Now you're going to do a similar fold here. So take this tip and bring it up around here somewhere. So again, this fold is super important. You really need to nail it. And flatten. Now we are going to fold this line, and we are going to fold it up to this crease. So look how I do it before folding you on your model. So you fold up just like this, and then you flatten. So I'll do it again because that's maybe not easy to understand. So you just take the tip and fold it up to align this edge with the middle crease. Now you're going to do the same motion but downwards for the left part. So look how I do it. So I take the tip here and I bring it down to the right. And I really need to make the crease here because you see there's a gap. I don't want any gap to exist. I really want it firmly together. Now the first part of the shuriken is finished. I'll leave it aside for now. And now we are going to do a similar motion and a similar fold for this sheet of paper. So again, you're going to take the white side up and you're going to fold the top edge to the bottom edge. So I'm going to go a little bit faster this time. Now unfold. Do the same thing on the other direction. So for the moment it's the same, but I'll tell you when it changes so you can not just go in like automatic mode and do the exact same thing, because that is not what you want to do. So for the moment, the exact same thing, just close the layers here, and now we're going to fold the entire model in half. So here is the difference. So whereas the first time we would fold this tip down, we are going to fold the bottom tip up. So basically what we're doing is we are going to mirror the fold. So the bottom tip upwards, just like that. the problem if you do the exact same thing is you'll have two parts that don't come into each other, and that does not work. So we're going to do the same thing, or the opposite fold here on the left side, and now we're going to fold this line down, and we're going to align that edge with the middle crease, and we are going to do the opposite thing here. So take that tip up to the right. So as you see, there's a little mountain, a kind of mountain creating here. It's not that big of a deal, just try and make it seamless here. You see, it just disappeared, we can't see any traces of it. So now we've got both papers. This is the hardest part, we need to assemble them. So how do you assemble them? So this one, I'm going to leave it in that position, and I'm going to lift it and turn the yellow one around, and you want to place it exactly that way. So the bottom one like this, and the top one, it's basically turned around, the top one over it. Now we can start merging the two papers together. So you're going to want to take the tip here on the right, and you're going to fold it to the left. And now you're going to open this pocket, so just be very careful as to what I do to replicate the exact same folds. So look, I put it in the pocket here, and once I've done that, I'm going to do the same thing on this flap. So fold it to the right, just like that. And now we're going to open this flap up to pop it in, and now I'm going to close everything. So now you'll notice the blue part is floating, but that's fine. We're going to arrange it when we turn the paper around, which is right now. So now we're going to put the blue parts in. So look closely how I do. I take the top tip here and I fold it downwards and straight into the pocket here. And now this is the last fold, and it might be the hardest one. We're going to do the bottom tip. So this one is harder because the tip, the pocket here, you'll see it's closed. So how are you going to open it? You're going to place your thumb and middle finger here, and you're going to take the tip downwards. This will make a small opening here, and you need to pop the point inside. So you see I'm having a bit of trouble with it. But you just work your way in and try to keep the paper as intact as you can, because then the shuriken will be more seamless. So here is the final result. Now stick around, because there's a special technique of how to throw the shuriken. So you're going to want to hold it here with your both fingers, and when you throw it, you need a wrist motion and a fingers motion unfolding just like this. So you're going to practice doing that. And once you've mastered it, you can add a motion of your entire elbow and arm like this. So this is the idea. So first practice just opening the hand up, and then once you've mastered that, open the entire arm up. So this is how you'll throw the shuriken. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.